Good morning, you guys. This is Diamond Rose back with another set of jobs for this Tuesday morning. Good morning. Now, this company that I am going to briefly discuss, there are two companies that are data entry jobs that are entry level as well. I'm going to be going through with this video. It's going to be this company called DISYS. It's Digital Intelligence Systems job. That's what DISYS stands for. Their job role for this job would be processing clerk for data entry. And the starting pay is $15 an hour through $18 an hour. It's a full-time job position. And the qualification for this job, these are two preferred things that you'll need to maybe have to have is Microsoft Excel 1 year preferred, work authorization preferred, benefits tools provided. And for this job, the duration will be 6 months plus possible extension. Now, the job description for this job goes as this. As a member, you will be assisting clients with establishing and maintaining periodic payments on their accounts. You will assist the client in all aspects of periodical payment processing, which may include, but is not limited to, the following: research documentation to determine prior payment history, reviewing returned forms and paperwork to determine if they are in good order for a periodic payment setup, processing periodic payments determined by regulatory product and plan requirements, answer periodic payment questions for both internal and external clients by researching various databases, role requirements, maintain high standards reviewing and processing complex financial documents, process all periodic requests while maintaining quality review and productivity standards. Communication skills needed for accurate, detailed, and professional interaction with team members and other internal departments. Must be able to learn, understand, and interpret periodic options offered in order to correctly process or reject requests to ensure compliance with products, plans, group, and IRS regulations. Ability to work in a team environment and develop working relationships inside and outside the organization. Handle special projects as assigned. Evaluate and resolve escalated and high priority situations using research skills and alternative approaches. Set up your own home office and work remotely until our office reopens with minimal frustration and supervision. Tools and equipment are provided. What are we looking for? High school diploma or GED from an accredited institution, required college degree preferred. 2+ years clerical administrative experience with a demonstrated background of loyalty to your past employers. Excellent communication skills, both oral and written. Advanced computer knowledge. Proficient with MS, proficient with MS Office, and strong professional typing skills required. Effective organizational, time management, and problem-solving skills. Multitasking is a must. Availability to work overtime or short notice. And it's an 8-hour shift. It is a full-time job position. This is an entry-level position, you guys. And experience Microsoft Excel 1 year preferred. And they're hiring for one candidate for this role, and they're urgently hiring. And they just posted this today. So you guys jump on it if you like that type of job, data entry, and want to become a processing clerk. You can apply at Indeed.com. I will post a link down below. Now, this second position is also a data entry position job. It is with, go ahead and find it first. It is with Supreme Orthopedic Systems, and it's a data entry clerk. It's a remote position. It's based out in Seattle, Washington. It's a full-time job position. Indeed salary guide not provided by employer. So this is the Indeed's salary of what they sum it up to be, $39,000 to $49,000. for this job position, which is a data clerk, entry clerk from the Washington, Seattle area, to be remote. Data entry clerk. This is the estimated value of what the yearly salary is from Indeed, not from the company itself. Now, the full job description is gathering, collating, and preparing documents, materials, and information for data entry. Conducting research to obtain information for incomplete documents and materials, creating digital documents from paper or dictation. Reviewing all documents and information for accuracy. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. That's so rude. For accuracy, and informing the supervisor of any errors or inconsistencies. Capturing data into digital databases and performing regular backups. You guys, I just had to ensure. I'm sorry. That was so rude. It was good. It was vanilla. It was a vanilla nutrition shake with fiber. So I'm sorry, you guys. I just burped. Excuse me. Okay, capturing data into database and performing regular backups, updating and maintaining databases, archives, and filing systems. Excuse me. Monitoring and reviewing databases and correcting errors or inconsistencies, generating and exporting data, reports, spreadsheets, and documents as needed, performing clerical duties such as filing, monitoring office supplies, scanning, and printing as needed. And they just posted this one day ago. The name of the company, once again, is Supreme Orthopedic Systems. And the job role will be data entry clerk. It's a remote position. And it says the yearly salary is here from Indeed, not from the company itself, but Indeed, $39,000 to $49,000. So that'll be all for this video, you guys. I just want to give you guys the word of wisdom on the end of this video. It's saying, I just want to tell you guys to keep going. You're able, you're capable, you can do all you put your mind to set to do for yourself, because you are worth it, and you know that you can get any job you lay your hands on when you apply for these jobs. Just go ahead, take a piece of your work pie. You got this. This is all for you. These jobs are wonderful. Most of the time I will maybe upload videos that are entry level position, because I know that there's a lot of people within the stay-at-home mom bracket who are watching my videos, college students and dads who are home as well, or people who just need secondary income. So I will basically, most of the time my videos will pertain a lot of entry level. That's why you guys see a lot of entry level position, because I want to make sure that someone gets their foot in the door, and you know, to get experience to get into the field they want to get into. So about 85 or 90% jobs that I will place on my website, on my channel, not my website, but on this channel, my YouTube channel, will be entry-level job positions. So I hope you guys have a great day and stay encouraged, be encouraged. You are amazing. And if you haven't already, if you haven't subscribe, smash that subscribe button and smash that like button, guys. Let me know that you like this content and these job resources that I have found for you guys, and smash that notification bell, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day.